Hello guys, this is another hair tutorial. Please watch.
I've been carrying this hair for about 2 weeks now. So what I'm going to do now is to unravel one and then twist it just to show you how to install white field passion twist. So first thing to do here is to get 2 strands of the passion twist to get the size I'm carrying. So I use 2 strands for each pattern. Then you'll be needing gel also. Take some gel, smooth the hair, then fold the white field passion twist in half. Use your natural hair as the third strand. Begin the 3-strand braid, also known as boss braid. So braid for about an inch. Take the natural hair, smooth it again with gel, join it in one side of the passion twist. Continue twisting, right to left, right to left. This is the twisting pattern. If you twist left to right, you will not get the bounce and all the beauty of the hair. So you have to twist right to left, right to left. So when you pass your natural hair, then the twisting becomes more easier and freer. You don't even need any pressure, just twist right to left. So this is how it is. So bouncy, flexible. Okay, let me just show you some ways you can style it. You can just flip the hair by the side and there you go. It's so flexible, lightweight. You can also decide to put some in a bun. Okay, let me put it in a bun. You see how it is. Okay, it's lightweight, it's reusable. Yes, you can use it multiple times. If you don't want it this way, you can also take all of them in a bun and then bring like 2 strands at the front for, and it's also good. So this color I use here is color 30 of the white field passion twist, 18 to 20 inches, but after twisting it becomes longer.